How to fix Snapchat device ban issue? Well, to fix a Snapchat device ban, often error that is SS06 or SS07, you'll have to submit an appeal through Snapchat support website. So head over to your Snapchat support website. So head into web and search in Snapchat, submit appeal or submit a request. So once you search in this way, you'll be able to see Snapchat support. You want to go through the prompts to find the support page where you can proceed to contact Snapchat support and leave what your problem was and such. Now, if the appeal fails, then you want to perform a full factory reset of your device that can sometimes remove the identifier marker. The most reliable method is start using a new device as the ban is tied to your hardware. If you gain access on a new device, do not use the same SIM card or phone number immediately, as this can lead to a reban as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.